Right now I'm in Freshie and we're gonna look at the fire alarm device inside Freshie. So at the entrance here, we got a pull station here at the entrance. Yeah, this is kind of cutting it close. And you can look at the pull station next to the wall here. You can see that it's pretty close. You could reset it. I think you do have enough clearance to reset it. It's pretty close. What else here? We have our exit sign here. We have our running man exit sign. Most new buildings have to have the running man exit sign. It's the new codes, the new building design. Right, let's look at what the fire alarm device is here, which no, I'm gonna have it here. The strobe here. Strobe. Well, this looks like a ceiling strobe instead of a wall mount strobe. You can see here. Big problem here. It's a ceiling strobe. It's not a wall mount strobe here. What else here? Oh, we got the sprinkler here. Remote head here.